Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting lined up for you. We're unboxing the highly anticipated Samsung Z Fold4, a device that has been creating quite a buzz in the tech community. Samsung has really pushed the boundaries of foldable technology with this one, and we can't wait to dive in. So, let's get started and see what's inside the box and what this beauty has to offer. First things first, just look at that sleek packaging. Samsung always knows how to make a first impression. The box itself screams premium, and the Z Fold4 is no exception to Samsung's high standards. Right on top, we have the phone itself, carefully wrapped in protective material. But we'll get to that in just a second. Let's take a moment to see what else is included in the box. As expected, we've got the standard accessories, the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and of course the SIM ejector tool. These are pretty much the essentials you need to get started. But as with many recent flagship phones, there's no charging brick included this time. This has become a trend in the industry. Now let's focus on the main attraction, the Samsung Z Fold4. This is where the magic happens. Right away you can feel the premium build quality. It's slightly lighter and slimmer than its predecessor, the Z Fold 3, but still feels incredibly solid in hand. The improvements in design are subtle but significant, making it a more refined device overall. The hinge is noticeably refined, making it smoother to open and close. This is crucial for a foldable phone, and Samsung has nailed it. The Z Fold 4 boasts a 6.2-inch AMOLED cover screen, perfect for quick tasks and one-handed use. It's compact yet functional. But of course, the real magic happens when you unfold it. The transformation is seamless and impressive. The massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a treat for multitaskers and entertainment lovers alike. It's like having a mini tablet in your pocket. Samsung has made some impressive updates to the display. It's brighter, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, giving you smooth scrolling and an immersive experience whether you're gaming or watching videos. The colors are vibrant and the clarity is top-notch. And the best part? The under-display camera has been improved, making it less noticeable when you're using the full screen. This means fewer distractions and more screen real estate for your content. Now let's talk specs. The Z Fold 4 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, one of the most powerful processors available. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, this makes the Z Fold 4 a powerhouse for productivity and gaming. You can run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. And don't forget about the triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens. This versatile camera system ensures you're ready for any photography situation. Samsung has stepped up their photography game, especially in low-light situations. The improved sensors and software enhancements make a noticeable difference. One feature I love is the Flex mode, which allows you to use the phone halfway folded, giving you a split-screen interface for hands-free video calls or multitasking. It's incredibly convenient and adds a new dimension to how you use your phone. The software has been optimized to take full advantage of this foldable form factor, with improved multi-window support and drag-and-drop functionality between apps. This makes multitasking a breeze. Battery life is solid as well, with a 4,400 mAh capacity that will get you through a full day of use, even with heavy multitasking and media consumption. You won't have to worry about running out of juice halfway through the day. And when you need a quick top-up, it supports 25W fast charging, though again you'll need to use your own charging brick. This ensures you can get back to using your phone in no time. So there you have it, the Samsung Z Fold 4. It's a premium device that builds on the success of previous models with more refined hardware and software features. If you're looking for a device that combines cutting-edge technology with a unique form factor, the Z Fold 4 is hard to beat. It's a testament to how far foldable technology has come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and hands-on videos. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Z Fold 4. Would you get one? What features stand out to you the most? Until next time. We love hearing your thoughts and feedback, so don't hesitate to share. See you in the next video.